Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to set time limits for Windows accounts. So first you need to go over to your settings, so on your Windows find your settings icon, and then once you're here you want to click on accounts. And then once you click on account you want to scroll down to under the account settings section, then click on family. Once you click on family, you see some details, then go ahead and click on open family settings. Of course, for this to work, it requires both the organizer and the user, for example, a child, to have a Microsoft account linked in a family group. So go ahead and click on open family settings and you'll be taken to this page. If you have a child or another user, you'll find them right here. Then on the other user's profile, you want to set the account limits, select the user profile, and you'll need to locate the screen time tab. Now, because this is my account, you will not see much options. However, in the user's account, under the screen time, toggle use one schedule on all devices. So turn it on. Under Windows 11 or 10, you can click on turn limits on. Then you can click on a specific day to set a time allowance, such as 2 hours, and a schedule, such as saying between 8 AM to 10 AM, or as you wish. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to set time limits for Windows accounts.